All right, what is up everyone? And on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw money on E-Trade. This video helps you guys out. Leave a like and comment for the algorithm, but do not subscribe to me. So we are just going to be logged into our E-Trade from Morgan Stanley account. And then what we want to do is you should be on this homepage here. From the homepage, what we're going to do is we are going to click on pay and transfer. And then you're going to go to transfer money. And from transfer money, all you're going to do is you are going to go from transfer from, and you want to click on your brokerage here. And then you want to click on transfer to the checking account that you use or savings account, whatever you're going to transfer to. And then you're going to click the amount, depending on whatever you want. So here you can just click on any amount, and then you're going to click when, and then you can set up a frequency so you can withdraw every week if you're on a pension plan or anything similar to it, or every 2 weeks, every month if you're living off of your retirements, just like that. So yeah, that is how to withdraw from your E-Trade account. Hope this video helped you guys out and have a great day.